It is highly recommended that a professional electrician performs the installation. Before beginning this installation, make sure you have everything that is required: a protective mat, a tape measure, a stud finder, and an electric screwdriver. Step 1. Place the protective mat over the range hood to avoid damage. Step 2. Remove the baffle filters. Step 3. Plug the range hood into the appropriate electrical outlet. Step 4. Carefully lift the range hood under the cabinet and secure it. Step 5. With the electric screwdriver, attach the range hood to the cabinet. Step 6. Reattach the baffle filters and check to make sure the range hood is working properly. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, visit us at forteappliances.com or give us a call at 718-249-1217.